Have you ever wondered how exercises like crunches, sit-ups, and HIIT can not only build your abs but also boost your gut health? A recent study has found that incorporating these exercises into your fitness routine can keep chronic illnesses at bay. According to a study by the Indian Express, regular physical activity can improve gut microbiota, which is essential for good gut health. Crunches, sit-ups, and HIIT are known to enhance the diversity of gut microbiota, which can prevent chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. This form of exercise can increase the production of short-chain fatty acids in the gut, which can reduce inflammation and improve overall gut health. Sit-ups and crunches can strengthen the abdominal muscles, which can improve digestion and prevent gastrointestinal issues. So, if you want to keep chronic illnesses at bay and improve your gut health, it's time to add crunches, sit-ups, and HIIT to your fitness routine. Start small, and gradually increase the intensity and frequency of your workouts. Your gut will thank you for it.